How to change your Aegean Airlines flight. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can change your Aegean Airlines flight. So to change your flight is not difficult at all. You can easily do this on the website or on the application depending on the one that you use. Now by logging into your account, the next step would be to scroll down and navigate to the My Bookings page. My Booking on the website is found in between Rent a Car and Check-in. So after clicking on My Booking, you can see a window displayed on the screen where you can see a write-up which says now you can manage your booking online with flexibility. And amongst the options here are add baggage and seats, change flights, book extra services, view booking details. So you can see change flights right here. So it's possible to change your flight. So to do that, the next step would be to enter in your booking reference number in the box here. And the next one will be to enter in your last name. Okay, after doing that, click on continue and then you'll be taken to the page where you would see details about your flight. So once you can see it on that same page, you see the option change flight. It could be the time, it could be the date that you have to change, or the location. Go ahead, type it out, effect your changes, and then from there you might have to change the kind of class or wherever. Go ahead, fill in the screen instruction and prompt, and then after that your flight will be changed automatically. This is that simple. Yeah, just ensure you enter in your booking reference number, your last name here, and then follow the screen instructions for you to be able to change your flight. And if you've done that and you still could not change your flight, go to the top part of the screen here, click on the help and contact option for you to be able to contact the customer support and then state your complaint and your consent. And then eventually answers will be given to you. So this is how you can change your Aegean Airlines flight. Thanks for watching and have a good day.